Hello everyone, this is the customized electric axle for our minibus project, and the electric axle is customized according to the dimensions provided by the customers. And we can see the differential and gearbox assembly already installed in the axle. And later we are going to install the mechanic handbrake of the axle to the gearbox. This is the handbrake, the pop brake, by mechanical control, and this later will install to the gearbox, of the assembly. And this part we will install the electric motor, and this is the upper shaft of the gearbox, and the upper